Hi YouTube! Welcome to The Daily Dose.
Your Gaily Dose.
Oh, okay, let's start that. Yeah, right, that does all look kind of skinny.
It's already recorded. What is up, everyone? I am back with another video with my sister. We are going to be watching the
Twins!
We're going to be watching the Harley Quinn Birds Prey movie, and it is about to be lit. We're going to come with you with little bloopers videos of the time that we have here. But yeah.
Don't I look like him?
Whatever. Let's get it started. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I am actually vlogging on the outside, waiting for my sister to get out of the car. But we are watching the Harley Quinn movie, and it is about to be lit. She looks cute. Yes, sister. Work.
Now you see, the computer selects the yellow ones for you, but if you don't want the yellow ones, any of the white ones are
No,
available.
that's fine.
That's good.
No, because you're gonna Eric.
We're done buying his ticket.
No, but he's gonna.
No,
sure.
I always sit at the edge. Thank you.
No
Thank you.
problem.
You're so rude and so like.
How am I rude?
You see that, guys? She doesn't even want to wait or like get a seat
How am I rude?
because we were supposed to get a seat for him. Kim,
You have to pay for it.
no, I said, but there was not a seat next to ours.
Yes, it will.
She feels bad, guys, because now she realizes her mistake. No, you don't. Okay, guys, so the movie just ended. I'm ready for bed. That's all I gotta say. Like,
She got soft. You know, I wasn't so impressed.
I wasn't either. I mean, but it was a fun.
She got too soft, and we missing pudding. Like, how you doing anything without pudding?
I was all trying to show the thing.
Anywho, it's a great night out, so we're just gonna go home and like throw up the popcorn we ate.
Literally.